Okay, hello everyone, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up a displacement but using a modifier. So usually when we set up a displacement in the videos in the past, we use the displacement node setup and we had to adjust some things, and it will only work in the cycle render. But now this way we're going to use a modifier and it will also work in eevee. So without further ado, let's begin. So first thing is just open a new file, and here we are. So now this is gonna be a video of how to do the displacement. Let's begin. Okay, so first thing for this video, we're not gonna use the camera or the lights, so you can delete both of them and press Shift A to add a plane. Okay, so now we have a plane. Now tab into edit mode and you can just start subdividing it. Now you can come here and adjust it. And what we're gonna do is subdivide it a lot, because the amount of subdivision that you have will give it more smooth-ish kind of displacement, just like how we did it in the node earlier, but now we're gonna do it for eevee. Okay, so now go to the modifier panel and add displacement. Your plate moved up a little bit. Now what we're gonna do is load a texture in. So go to the displacement right here and press new. Okay, so now it's going down. So the thing is that right now your texture is black. Now black means it goes down and white means it goes up. Now right here it says type right here above the preview, and you can change the type of texture. Like they have some procedural textures that you can try. So we have clouds, bend, this is like a gradient, we have Voronoi, and overall you can do a lot of things here with the procedural textures. But now what we're gonna do is load a custom image that we usually see, right? So what we're gonna do now is just press open and go to the place you save your PBR textures. The PBR textures I downloaded from Polyhaven. It's a website where it's probably good for beginners and it's free. So yeah, so I'm gonna choose this background, and as you can see, it's the 4 textures. But now you're gonna select the displacement and open the image, and now as you can see, it's working. Now you might be asking, what do you mean it's working? It doesn't look like a bark at all. So the problem is the displacement is too strong. So you can go back to the modifier properties and lower the strength, and you will start to see that it looks somewhat like a log. Now it might not look 100% like a log because the quality of subdivision is low. So you can subdivide it again and again, and just the more you subdivide, the better it will look. But you just gotta watch out. If you subdivide too much, you're gonna have a problem in the future. So as you can see, here's my bar and it's looking pretty good. So that's how you do displacement in eevee. So now I'm gonna do one more example before I go. So I'm gonna close this and we're gonna go through the whole thing again. So add modifier and displace right here, displace, and then press new, go down here to right here, and you can choose one of the ones that they have for you, or you can use the one that you downloaded from the internet. So right here, I'm just gonna open and then choose a texture. This time I'm gonna choose floor pavement. Okay, and as you can see, displacement. So that's how to set up displacement in eevee with a modifier, with the displace modifier. So yeah, that should be it for this video, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.